Hi guys. So actually before I start, I'll just tell you, I went to film previously. Actually, I filmed this already, but I must have taken a photo instead of hitting record. So I was standing there talking to myself that whole time and all I got was a photo. Anyway, duh. I blame it on my flu. Anyway, I thought I'd just quickly share this little I don't know what you'd call it, notebook maybe, that I knocked up for a lovely lady that's ordered quite a few things in my little Etsy shop, my strange little creations. So I'm happy that someone out there does like my weird little things I come up with. But anyway, what it is, I'll quickly show you. This was an old luggage case, you know, like a suitcase that you travel with. And it was one of the old ones without wheels and without the big long handle. You know, you had to actually carry it. Why it took man so long to come up with wheels on a luggage set, I don't know. But anyway, and the op shop were getting rid of a whole bunch of suitcases one day for like $3 each and that, because they were the old carry style ones. And amongst that bunch was just one suitcase with this beautiful tapestry material. And look at that, it's so beautiful. And on the other side is this black plastic, which is okay. I've left it on there because it gives it some rigidity, you know, it gives the journal a bit of sturdiness on the cover. And then there was a kind of like a wooden board covered with plastic and then some lining on the inside. But anyway, I've pulled it apart. I thought it was one big piece on each side of the suitcase at first, but it was these panels. And so I got about 6 panels out of it. Not bad for like $3 at an op shop. And the material is beautiful. Look at the pattern. It's like the old tapestry and it feels divine. It's so beautiful. So got about 6 big panels like that and a couple of these smaller pieces that were, you know, the edging of the suitcase. And I've made a few little journals already as thank you gifts for some of my Etsy customers, but I thought I would show you one that I'm, before I send it out today. And this is a lady who has purchased quite a few of my strange little creations on my Etsy shop. And just as a thank you for, you know, so many orders, I thought I'd send her a little thank you gift. And she's a lovely lady. She's very, very nice and kind and supportive to everyone on Junk Journals Down Under. Anyway, this probably took about, I don't know, 40 minutes to knock up. But that was with my grandson interrupting in between. Anyway, I'll just quickly show you. So this was just a scrap of, I think it was cotton sheeting when I was ripping up old linens to make ruffles. And I've lined it with some of the painting drop cloth that you've probably seen in previous journals because I really like how it frays. Look at that. I love it. And then I've just stitched around the edge. Oops. Okay, so I just put a little scrap fabric pocket. And this is, you probably call it a trashy journal, I suppose, or I don't know. It really is all scrap papers that were lying around on my desk. Except this one. This first page was actually in my Beyond Blue mystery pack, and I thought it was really pretty, so I popped that on the first page. All the rest were just rubbish pages lying around everywhere. So just a little tag with some scrap fabric. It's a cute little picture. So I didn't really embellish it. I've left it blank. It's just like a little notebook that... Oh, actually, this page as well was out of my Beyond Blue mystery pack. Sorry. That's an express post envelope cut down. I like the paper. It's really thick. Just a scrap of the blue paper with some little fabric scrap stitched to the top. So I've left it really raw. So this is the other side of the express post envelope. So the lovely lady, when she gets it, she can, you know, put pockets and stuff there. It's just a little notebook, little fun little thing. This was one of my super duper grungy papers that was my little mistake papers. You would have seen them in the, I think I called them alien skin papers or something video. And that's a flip out. I've just put two little hearts on a string. Scrap of lace. And it's funny because this little scrap of lace, this little scrap of fabric and that was exactly the right size. Like, it's just random off my desk. Perfect size. So just made a little pocket. Got some scrap paper there. That's just the front page out of a Heidi novel that I had pulled apart. Some scrap fabric, stay put on with my tiny attacher. Do you know how much I love this tiny attacher? Thank you so much, James. He sent it to me. And I love this thing. I can't stop using it, but now I'm kind of being a bit stingy because I don't want to run out of staples until I find another box. This is another language. I don't know if it's German. I don't know. I shouldn't guess. I'm always so wrong. This was just a little image out of a children's fairy tale book that I thought she could, I don't know, make a little envelope or something out of it. Anyway, that's it. Thought I'd quickly show you that before I post it out because it's super duper cute. Do you know, I really love knocking up these little junky, trashy type journals where you just grab everything off your desk and pretty much just stitch it in. And this one, I was going to machine sew it, but I thought, no, I'll just hand sew it in. Because it got a bit thick for my machine, but cute little journal. And yeah, give it a try. Just grab all your rubbish off your desk. I know Wendy Mason did a little clean your desk journal. But you've got really pretty stuff on your desk, Wendy. Mine's all scrap papers like this, but I thought it turned out really cute anyway, and I thought I'll just show you, just to give you some ideas what to do with all the leftover papers on your desk. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.